Hey, are you struggling with low conversion rate on Amazon? Even with heavy traffic, CTR and impressions, the customer bounce rate seems to be way too high. Well, you are not alone. Many sellers on Amazon faces the same issue. The thing is, there are some crucial metrics that may seller don't pay attention to and that directly affect the conversion rate. Some end up losing profit or even quitting Amazon altogether. But how do some sellers manage to maintain 7-digit monthly revenue? You see, there are certain things they do differently. They have great quality product, competitive price to attract customer, SEO optimization, up-to-date listing, and A+ content. And today, we are going to focus on A+ content. If your A+ content is poorly presented, it can be negatively impact your conversion rate. Don't underestimate its importance. According to Amazon, proper A+ content can help increase the conversion rate by up to 8%. Imagine that. So, if you want to boost your conversion rate from too low to too high, you need to give extra care to your A+ content. Of course, with a few other things. In this video, I will show you how to create compelling A+ content to make your listing more attractive. I will explain the difference between good and bad A+ content and demonstrate an example so that you can also implement your A+ content properly. So, without any further delay, let's get started. I have some examples here to talk about. First, let's look at this one. So, they have around 4 modules. It should be more than that, at least 5. Well, if you look at the first module, let's zoom to the perfect fit for the screen. In this picture, what attracts you? I think you will notice the headset first, though it is a content for mic stand. Well, if you read the text here only, then you will understand what product they are selling. So in this image, they need to focus on the mic stand for sure. And if you look at the mic stand, it feels unreal here and artificial. It seems that the mic stand was just copied and pasted here. Okay, move to the next module. Well, this is messy here. The information they try to add is not clear. On the left, they add a bit of information about the weight and height. And on the right, they add some pieces of image to show the features. But it seems messed up here. The information is not clear. At a glance, it distracted the eyes for sure. Okay, here is the third module. Let me zoom to fit in the screen. Well, they add features that donate the flexibility and adjustability of the mic stand. If you look at this picture, I am sure you will not understand what they are trying to tell you here. The images are not engaging. This is a bad example indeed. They just show the images and mention the degree of rotation. Overall, it is not a good approach to attract eyes that are looking for some information. Well, next and the last module, let me scroll down slightly. Here you can see that they add 4 lifestyle photos and mention the circumstances, providing the single words. But I think there should be an ending banner with some catchy, meaningful lines added. But they only use lifestyle photos here. And that doesn't convey any meaning, I think. Overall, the content can be better than that. Now, let's look at a better competitor. Okay. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, they have added 5 modules in it, which is good. In the first module, we can easily guess what is the main product here. It is a mic stand. So in the module, they try to keep it neat and clean. I mean, this is not text heavy here. And look at the bottom. Here they have chosen to display the 2 most important features in an icon style format. Cool. Well, if they try to include more information with text, then it will be messed up, and when a person gazes at the image, maybe he or she will not hook on this. So, first banner, or let's say first module, need to be top notch, because that is going to create an impression, and you know, first impression is the best impression. Okay, now move to the second module here. Let me zoom in the tab to find out the better view. Okay, that is okay, I believe. In the second module, they are presenting another lifestyle photo. There you can see that they add a description of the product placed right beside the lifestyle photo. You can easily get some information with visuals. In the right corner, they emphasize the gooseneck feature. Well, this is a tricky part. For the microphone stand, most of people preferred the gooseneck feature and they highlighted the feature here so that the buyer can easily notice and this will help their decision making. Okay, let's move to the next module. Let's scroll down a bit. Okay, let's fix the zoom here. Zoom out the slide a bit now. Well, I think this is okay. In the third module, what we can see is that they're focusing on highlighting the main features. They aim to illustrate each features with high quality images. You will notice that for every features they have included a corresponding photo for demonstration. Well, did you notice? Well, they highlighted the features by zooming. At a glance, if someone is not reading the text, through they can understand by the images what it is for. Now down to the next module. Well, this is kind of repetitive here. They included other features here with images and text to describe it. Same as the third module. Okay, for ours, we will try not to be repetitive. Now the last module, here it is. Let me zoom it to fit on the screen, okay? Well, this is an end banner focusing the mic stand and it's pretty neat and clean. Just a bit of text accompanied by a nice picture. And had a text front where it had the information that it is a tabletop mic holder. Well, if you talk a bit about the color they have used, they have opted the three colors in the image. That is, here you can see pumpkin orange, white and black. I would say the blend of these three colors is suiting to the eyes. However, let me show you, we also did a similar A+ content. Here it is. It's looking pretty and engaging. And why is that? Let's break it down. Okay, if you count the modules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, we added 6 modules here. Let's talk about the first module. Wait, let me zoom on it. Okay, now you tell me, looking at the picture, what do you understand? Isn't it clear that it is a mic stand? Yes, definitely. We have also used a color palette that is attractive. And to highlight the product, you can look here. There are only 2 mic stands added. No more irrelevant items are here. So it is clear, concise and looks great, isn't it? Alright, now let's scroll down to the next modules. Well, in this section, you can see product description and some necessary features. On the left, we added an image of a mic stand and added some details about the height and width. To give you a rough idea about the product so that you can imagine the exact size standing on your desk. Well, on the right side, we added the About Us section where you can find some information about the manufacturer as well. It will give you a slight understanding of the company. And I think it might help you with your purchase making decision. And let's move on the next module. Here it is. You will notice that we have included some advantages with conscious descriptions here, presented in an icon style. Here you can see a lifestyle photo beside the text, which looks so appealing. If you watch carefully, what do you see? These are not text heavy, yet they tell a lot about the product, right? You can easily understand what this information is about. Without reading tons of information to read, there already a bullet point section, right? So that means heavy text in graphics makes no sense. It only distracts the eyes. Well, next module, let's scroll down slightly. Yeah, that's it. Well, this look engaging, right? Why? Well, looks closely. Here you can see the mic stand staying in the middle, and we pointed out the included item that are within the mic stand. So buyers are clear about what they will get. Here you can see we pointed out the mics include a heavy duty iron base. You can see here one microphone holder and two screw and two wing nuts. Let's move to the next module. Here on the left side we added a lifestyle photo. If you gaze clearly, you can see the mic stand clearly. On the right side we give a description about the core features of the item, but we are not messing around with the text. This is not text heavy, yet clearly understandable what the features are. Well, when you look at the lifestyle photo, do you notice that your eyes are drawn to the mic stand first? Well, that is because it is a depth of field, where the mic stand is in the front and the other are in the background, creating a depth and drawing your eyes to the mic stand first. So the last module is called ending banners. Here it is. Here we implement a meaningful sentence, innovative design for easy use. This line is simply yet powerful. But by reading this sentence, you get an idea that the manufacturers care about their customers, showcasing the innovative approach to make customers' lives hassle-free. Here in the last module on the right side, we added a lifestyle photo that complements the message here. I think now you can understand how important a good A+ content is, right? It can be a game changer for you. It engages the customer to tell the story of the product. The most important thing is that a good A+ content can boost your sale by up to 8%. So what do you think? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section. To inform you, we have top-notch and eye-catchy A+ content like this. Let me show you some examples. Well, if you want, we can help you to create such a A+ content like this. We have experts in this field who can assist you in creating great A+ content. If you are interested, feel free to contact us. Our contact will be included in the description section below. Don't hesitate to reach out. That's all for today. We do have more resources like this. You can visit our website ecomclips.com, which has a lot of cool things you want to check out to make sure you level up your Amazon strategies in 2024. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing thousands of Amazon's choice and bestseller ranked products. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can level up your account. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.